The number one complaint I hear from my students is, Tanya, I understand English, but I have no one to speak with. I live in a non English country. I'm shy. I'm afraid of making mistakes. I understand this completely. When I was learning English, I used to talk to myself in the mirror. It was a little crazy, but here we are. But today, you have something I didn't have. You have a native level speaking partner in your pocket available 24/7. And the best part? It never judges you. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use AI to move from intermediate to advanced speaking. I'm going to give you specific prompts and strategies to simulate real live conversations. Hi everyone, I'm Tanya. Welcome back to English with SpeakaYou. My goal is to help you overcome that intermediate plateau and finally feel confident speaking English. If you want to turn your passive knowledge into active speaking, keep watching. First stop. Writing is not speaking. Most AI apps now have a voice mode. This is crucial because you need to practice your reaction time. When you type, you have time to think, to delete, and to correct your grammar. And in real life, you don't have that time. So rule number one, we only use our voice. I want you to treat AI like a friend on a phone call. And don't worry about perfect grammar yet. Just focus on the flow. If you just say, hello, let's chat, the AI will be too polite. Hi there, let's chat.
Absolutely. I'm here and ready to chat about anything you'd like. How's your day going so far?
And it will be boring. To improve, you need to simulate pressure. You need a specific scenario. I want you to give the AI a role. Tell the AI, act as a strict manager for a marketing company. I'm applying for a job. Ask me tough questions one by one. Wait for my answer.
All right, let's do it. I'll step into that role. Let me start with the first question. Can you tell me about a challenging marketing campaign you've managed in the past and what the outcome was?
Suddenly, you are nervous. I'm sweating here. You have to think fast. This is exactly what you need to reach advanced level. Or try this. Act as a barista at a busy coffee shop in London. There's a long line behind me. Rush me a little bit.
All right, got it. Welcome to our coffee shop. What can I get started for you today? And let me know quickly because there's quite a queue behind you.
This teaches you to speak efficiently and handle stress. Now, here's the magic. After you finish the conversation, don't just close the app. You must ask for corrections. Since the AI remembers everything you said, you will see exactly where you are making mistakes. AI is an amazing tool for output, for practicing speaking. But to be a great speaker, you first need high quality input. You cannot speak if you don't have the vocabulary and listening comprehension to back it up. If you're serious about moving to the next level, you need to immerse yourself in English stories. This is why I invite you to join the Listen with SpeakaYou podcast. It's a membership where you get 4 exclusive episodes every month, designed specifically for intermediate plateau. I also provide full transcripts and worksheets. Use the podcast to learn the words and use the AI to practice them. It's the perfect combination. Click the link in the description to join us. Do you feel like you always use the same 10 words? Good, bad, nice, happy, that's the intermediate trap. Here's a game you can play with AI to fix this. Tell the AI, I will describe my day using these simple words. I want you to write my sentences using advanced idioms and phrasal verbs.
Absolutely, that sounds fun. Go ahead and describe your day, and I'll give it that C1 level flair with idioms and phrasal verbs.
I've been very busy at work and I'm tired now.
I've been burning the candle at both ends today, and I'm absolutely worn out now.
My tea is not as good as I've expected it to be.
My tea didn't quite live up to the hype I had in mind.
Write these down, then try to use them in your next sentence. This is how you build your active vocabulary. Finally, let's work on your accent. Ask the AI to generate a short paragraph about the topic you like. For example, travel. Ask the AI to read it out loud.
Absolutely. Here's a short one for you. Traveling opens the door to new experiences, cultures, and perspectives, whether it's exploring bustling cities, relaxing on serene beaches, or wandering through scenic landscapes. Every journey enriches the soul and creates lasting memories. Feel free to adjust it however you like.
Now, I'd like you to read it slower because my level is an intermediate level of English, and I will repeat after you.
Of course, I can do that. Here we go. Traveling opens the door to new experiences, cultures, and perspectives, whether it's exploring bustling cities, relaxing on serene beaches, or wandering through scenic landscapes. Every journey enriches the soul and creates lasting memories. Take your time repeating after me.
Great. Now, could you read a little bit faster?
Absolutely. Here we go. Traveling opens the door to new experiences, cultures, and perspectives. Whether it's exploring bustling cities, relaxing on serene beaches, or wandering through scenic landscapes, every journey enriches the soul and creates lasting memories. Feel free to repeat whenever you're ready.
Journey. Then I want you to shadow it. Listen to one sentence, pause, and repeat exactly the way AI said it. Match the speed, match the melody. This builds your mouth muscle memory. Remember, AI is a tool. It cannot replace the human connection of a real teacher or a friend, but it's the best way to practice when you are home alone. I challenge you to practice the role play technique today. I have put a list of my favorite AI prompts for English learners in the description below. You can copy and paste them. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to become a fluent, confident speaker. And check out the Listen with SpeakaYou podcast if you want to improve your listening skills. See you in the next video.